Dude, I'm testing this AI photo app I found. Send me a selfie?
Why? Is it one of those that ages you or something?
Better. It shows how you'd look in different eras. Renaissance, Victorian, etc.
Fine, just sent it.
Weird, it's not working. Says no living subject detected.
What? Try again.
Same thing. No living subject detected.
Probably just a glitch.
Wait, it's loading something now. Holy shit.
What? What did it show?
It's showing your future, but you're dead.
Not funny, man.
I'm serious. You're in a coffin. Date says tomorrow.
Delete that right now.
There's a message at the bottom. Death approaches from behind.
Stop it. Wait, I think I heard something behind me.
Get out of there now.
Oh God, there's someone in my house.
I'm calling 911.
It's coming closer.
Hello? Are you there?
Ha ha ha, got you.
What the hell?
It's my birthday next week. I set up that fake app to prank you.
You absolute psycho.
Your reaction was priceless.
I literally called 911.
Wait, for real?
Yes, I hear sirens already.
Shit.
Well, hope prison has a good birthday cake.